Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Discord account. So if you also want to log in Discord account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Discord application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Discord has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have an account, simply tap on the register option. After that, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. But if you already have an account and if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface of Discord. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. What you have to do is provide the account information over here. First of all, provide the email or phone number. Simply enter email or phone number associated with your Discord account. Here I'm just going to enter my email. Now after that, what you have to do is enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on the option forget password. After that, you'll be able to reset it. But if you remember the password, simply enter your password. Now after entering the account information, you'll be able to log into your account, or instead of that, you can also sign in with passkey. If you want to sign in with passkey, simply tap on the option sign in with passkey that you can see right over here. Otherwise, if you want to sign in by providing the account information, simply tap on the login option that you can see right over here. Now after that, you can see over here, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Discord account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.